The first thing you do is go to Play Store and search SMC DAO, DAO. So install it, but in my case, I have it installed already, so I'll just go right ahead and open it. You may go through all of these snippets to have a quick peek into what SMC DAO is about, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Join Community. And here, you fill out this form, but make sure to enter your real information, your name, country, city, and all. Continue to the next page. Fill out your phone number, and then enter your X username. That's essentially your Twitter username. And next up is your place of worship. If you don't have a place of worship, you have to select one. So I'm just gonna write Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, COZA. How did you hear about us? Select from a friend. And in the referral ID, you type in CryptoBean101, exactly as you see it here. And then you click on continue. And here is where you select your occupation. I'm gonna select content creator. And next, you create your unique SMC ID. And this has to be a name no one else has taken already. Otherwise, you would have to use another ID. But it can be anything you like. Continue. Check your email for the OTP sent. Click on verify code. And next thing would be to take the quiz. In this quiz, you have to score at least 7 out of 10. Otherwise, you would have to wait another 2 weeks before you get a chance to try again. I'm going to leave the answers in the comment section. You can use that as a guide while answering your quiz questions. And now we can submit answers. We got all the answers correctly, so we can close this page. You can also leave a comment, but I believe it's optional. And when you're done with all of that, you can click the back arrow at the top left corner of your screen. And you should get this message that says verification pending. So you have to wait another 10-20 minutes and then you get an email confirming your onboarding. So I just received my onboarding email. Next thing is to log in and create your PIN. And now your account is fully ready and functional. To view your referral code, go to profile, click on my referrals, then you copy your referral code right up there. Start referring people. The more people you refer, the more points you earn. And you can convert your points, you can sell your points later on for real cash. 1 point equals $1 and 1 referral equals 2 points. Voila! So you can do the math yourself, and that's about it. Okay guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll make another video on how to sell your referral points in exchange for real money on the SMC P2P group. So stay tuned for my next video. See you there.